Alright, so today we're going to discuss adding and subtracting integers using algebra tiles. So here you can see the tiles at the left side. So we have the units tiles. Okay, so we're going to use the units tiles today. And then the x tiles and then the x squared tiles. Ayan. So, paano natin yan gagamitin? Okay, so, first, we have the units tiles. So, we have 1 unit and then negative 1 unit. So, click lang natin sila. Ayan, lumabas na. Okay, and then we have the x tiles, x and negative x. And then we have x squared and then negative x squared. Okay, so ngayon, ang gagamitin lang naman natin ay yung units tiles. Pero dahil meron na tayong concept ng additive inverse, ibig sabihin, kapag kainad natin yung dalawang values, yung additive inverse at saka yung number itself, nagiging ang sagot nila ay 0. So, ito yun. Ang 1 at negative 1 ay additive inverse. So, pagka pinagsama natin sila, sila ay nawawala. Ganun din ang x at negative x. Ganun din ang x squared at negative x squared. So, paano natin gagamitin yung algebra tiles sa pag-a-add? Okay, so, pag sinabi nating add, yung idadagdag, correct? So, ang gagawin natin ay gagamitin natin itong tiles sa pag-a-add. Pag naman subtract, i-convert muna natin yung subtraction to addition. Okay, so yung copy, change. Okay, and then we're going to proceed with regular algebraic addition. So let's have an example. So we have 5 minus negative 7. So minus agad. Okay, so at subtraction to. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to use copy, change. So, this is now equals equals 5. Okay, change the subtraction to addition. So, plus, okay, and change the sign of negative 7 to positive 7. Yan ang tinatawag na copy, change. So, now we have 5 plus 7. So, we're going to use the algebra tiles. Alright, so 5. Kukuha tayo ng 5. So, we're going to click the units tiles 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, we're going to add 7. We're going to click the units tiles 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, now, nakikita natin na lumabas lahat ay ito ay positive. So, we're just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the answer is 12. Okay. Now, how about number 2? So, in number 2, the operation is addition. So, that is 8 plus negative 3. So, how are we going to do this? So, see, we clear all, and then we're going to pick up 8 units tiles na positive, kasi positive yung 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to arrange. And then, we're going to pick up negative 3. So, ibig sabihin, kukuha naman ako ng negative tiles na 3 beses. Negative 1 tiles. So, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now, dahil meron tayong magkaibang sign, we're going to use the concept of additive inverse. So, pagsasamahin natin sila. Yung 1 at negative 1, pagsasamahin. So, 1, 2, 3. Ilan na natira? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5. So, the answer here is now 5. Alright? Okay, number 3. Positive plus positive. Okay. So, that would be 4 plus 2. So, get lang unit styles na 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ayusin. And then, plus 2, dalawa ulit, 1, 2. Uy, nasobrahan. Ulit, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 1, 2. So, ilan sila lahat? 6. So, the answer here is 6. Alright. So, number 4, we're going to add or subtract 3 numbers na. But don't worry, the process is still the same. We convert, if it's subtraction, we convert it to addition and change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, so let's see. We have 7 plus negative 3. And then this is minus negative 2. So we're going to have plus. Okay, we change the subtraction to addition. And we change the sign of negative 2 to positive 2. So we have 7 plus negative 3 plus 2. So we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, we arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dun muna tayo sa dalawa. Okay, and next we have past negative 3. So, ito muna ang dalawa. Pag kukombinein muna natin sila. Alright? So, we have plus negative 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, pagsasamahin natin yung additive inverse. So, meron tayong 4. And then, we're going to add 2. 1, 2. So, ilan sila lahat? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6. Okay. How about number 5? Okay. In number 5, we have negative 8 plus negative 2 plus 7. So, we have negative 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have 10, negative 10. And then we're going to add 7. Diba? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sandali lang. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, again, we use the additive inverse. Pagsasamahin natin yung dalawang magkaiba ng color. Alright. So, we have here negative 3. So, the answer is negative 3. So, that is how we use algebra tiles to understand the concept of adding and subtracting integers. Okay, try it for yourself. The link for the algebra tiles is down below. So, that's it. Goodbye.